YouTube, it's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and today we're making the Oreo cobbler, but not the chocolate Oreo cobbler. Well, that's right. It's summer flavors, y'all. We're gonna do some lemon Oreo cobbler, okay? I'm gonna have the ingredients listed on screen right here. This is brown sugar, we got some granulated sugar, we got some self-rising flour, some milk, and some butter. So 1.5 cups of water, get it heating up, because we need 1.5 cups of hot water. We need 2 tablespoons of butter. You're gonna need a 9 by 13 inch pan. I'm just gonna set this in my oven while everything gets going. That butter melted on down. First things first. The fun part.
What is the fun part?
We're going to take these Oreos. We're going to get a Ziploc bag to start with. And we're going to put our Oreos in said Ziploc bag. We're going to take our Oreos in said Ziploc bag and we're going to break them apart. Okay? So there's several different methods you can do to this. You can get a rolling pin and smack it around. You can just use your hands.
You want to use...
Go ahead and hit it. Get it all broken on up. As you can tell, our butter is melted. We're just going to get it around the bin. Just like that, and then we're going to take our Oreos. Will you grab Jessie for her?
How do you do that?
Kind of break it up a little bit. Alright, what I'm going to do next, set that right there. We're going to have our flour, our sugar.
Everyone does it.
Yep.
The whole thing.
Yep. Then our brown sugar. Just like that. I'm going to whisk this on in. Kind of combining everything.
Yeah, I filled it up. Put milk in this, right?
I got one with milk in it.
We can have 2.
We're just going to incorporate that self-rising flour in with all that sugar. And then we're just going to add our milk in.
I got it.
Perfect.
I got it.
Let me start it. You want to go nice and slow. Go nice and slow. Whisk and whisk.
I put water on there, aren't they? 3.
And then you're going to be sick and smooth. And then
Butter, and
we're going to pour this right on in.
Put in there. I'm gonna do something with the pan. Watch out. So I'm gonna do something with the pan.
So we're going to get all that goodness. Now, that 1.5 cups of hot water, it's been on your stove or however you've been doing it. We're just going to pour that right on top. Okay? And then into our oven. So put that in your oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Hey Alexa, set timer for 35 minutes. Oh, that is an Oreo cobbler right there. Man, it smells so good. So I don't know about y'all, but with cobbler, I like a little ice cream. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm excited about this. That cobbler right there. Oh, looks so good. That is delicious. What do you think? I see the deal with the Oreo cobbler now. That's good. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go feed my family some of this. Y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You got lemon, you got peanut butter, you got original, you got whatever kind of Oreos you want to make a cobbler. I don't know what my family's gonna eat because I'm gonna eat the rest of this. So, peace.